Trador or Trador. I spoke about this really not that long ago, when it was $1.42. It has been on an absolute tear as of late. And I'd said this could, originally I'd said this can get to $10 really, really quickly, and it's more than halfway there now. So we're going to dive into what's happening. Why is this pumping while we're having a pullback on everything else? Now, before I get into it, if you're new here, the spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these cryptos. These were coins that I thought were going to do very, very well, and we're going to make a lot of money in the bull cycle, which is why I showed myself buying them. These were their prices when I recorded and released my videos. These are the highs these coins hit in the last bull cycle. These are what your profits would have been if you'd popped $100 into them. If you'd have done that for every single one, that would have been a $2,600 investment. That would have netted you a profit of over 123 grand in the last bull cycle. And it only took about 16 months. Thing is you don't have 16 months to get things sorted. We are in a bull cycle right now, and if you've got cryptos you're not happy with, if you've got coins that are not performing, you've got to get it fixed. If you're not sure where to begin, have a look at copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for my YouTube followers. You get full access to my site, full membership to my site for half price, and there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the site, I share with my members all the coins I own. Whenever I find any crypto like these that I think can do very, very well, I jump onto my site, I tell my members about the crypto, the reasons I think it can do well, and the price I'll be buying it at. I do the same when I sell, so there is no work for my members. They're in and out of coins, same price, and they make the same profit. And if you go onto my site, you'll see some of the profits the members have made. You'll see some of the successes that led to those profits, whether it was a meme coin we held for a fortnight that did a 300x, whether it's Phantom, which in the last bull cycle was one of the best performers. Myself, my members, we got in at half a cent pretty much before the entire market. Phantom went up to $3.46. That's just shy of 700 times our investment. Bunch of my members became millionaires from that one investment alone. This is all public record, so you can verify it all. And if you like what you see and you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners in this bull cycle this year, all you've got to do to find out about them is join up on the site. Now, Trador. So properly been on a tear. I was talking about this when it was about I think in my last video it was $1.42. And I was explaining the reasons I thought this could get to $10. Trador is, or Trador, I really don't know how they want it pronounced. I'll go Trador. Trador is the fastest and friendliest way to trade options, perpetuals, whether that's on web, mobile, or Telegram. You can get started with less money up front. You can enjoy private one-tap trades with no hidden costs. They are turbo speed trades, so orders are confirmed in just 50 milliseconds. You've got no hidden costs, so the price you see is locked the moment you order. There is multi-chain access. That will be coming soon. It's starting on Ton for now. They have what's called an AI-enhanced liquidity shield that protects you from toxic flow. Your on-chain privacy is protected, so nobody can spy on your orders or front-run you. They also have the ability to trade on autopilot. So you've got Quant AI, which is a trading assistant designed to help you win more trades. So you can talk to it by text or voice or to set your strategy, and it will trade for you 24/7 even while you sleep. So it's got plenty of good features. And actually, to be fair, you know what? I'll give credit where credit's due. Trador are promoting their success and members' successes really, really well. So users. So one of the traders made just shy of $700 going long on NOT. So they entered when NOT was 0.0018. And closed the trade at 0.001895. A small move, but with leverage, with 21x leverage, it turned into a 72% return. They didn't wait for a big breakout, just caught the early signs of a climb, and it exited with profits before the hype faded. And they do this quite regularly. They talk about traders that have had success with leverage. And it's a very, very good idea, showing the successes. Of course, traders are going to lose. You know, that's the reality of trading. You're going to lose money when they're shorting or longing. But showing the success is a really, really good idea. It's a really, really good idea. And they're highlighting whenever they're trending. I mean, at the moment, they are trending really, really well. This was just, a week ago now. And the price was $2.39. So it's double where it was, basically. So Trader is very straightforward. You trade crypto with leverage on web, mobile, and Telegram. There will be multi-chain access, of course. It's on BNB as well. So between BNB and Ton, doing pretty well. And trading volume's been pretty good. Since launching, you've got about 600 mil that they've done. They've got 374,000 community followers. They've got just shy of 360,000 active users. And also you can earn rewards. They have an affiliate program as well. So if you're a part of a collective of traders, share this with your friends and you can earn very, very well. Very interesting idea. So if we open up Trader on web rather than on Telegram, so very straightforward. You connect your wallet and then you go from there. It automatically puts you on 15-minute charts. You can see you've got up to 100x leverage on the big boys. That's your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Solana. I'm sure there's probably a couple more that have 100. Or maybe not. It's 50 after that. Okay. So Turbo USDT or Turbo Ton, doesn't matter. So that's your perpetuals. You've got your options as well. So you can have a look at either classic options. So this is 5 minutes. So again, you might want to do your options trade based on the daily. They've got DNT options as well. So again, you can split your time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, hourly, or whatever. And then the reward system that's in place. So you earn DOOR to unlock airdrops and claim USDT by completing tasks. I mean, this is a very good system. That's not a bad idea. Profit and loss. Okay, and here's your pools. So you've got your liquidity. Your classic pool has total liquidity of around 14,500. DNT 4.9 thousand. But you can see the profit and loss. So the fundraising is completed. It's waiting allocation of fundraising slots, and you can see what your APR are. This isn't a bad system. Of course, understand what your risks are if you are going to participate in pools. Obviously, yield is pretty good, but you do have to know what your risk is. So, like USDT TLP, tokens that earn fees is going to pay you very, very well. But again, understand your risk. It's a very good system. And if we dive into what's happening overall, 55 million bucks has been the trading volume over the last 24 hours, which is not bad. It's not amazing or anything. It's not bad. Still a lot coming on DEXs though. 32 million. So 60% of what is around is coming through PancakeSwap. And then the rest of the volume is spread across either Binance Alpha, BitGet, Mexi. I would assume Binance Alpha, but sometimes you get surprised. Yeah, Binance Alpha's got most of it. And then shortly followed by BitGet. If you're going to trade it, guys, I'd recommend BitGet if you don't have an account. The reason for this is BitGet have the best welcome pack in crypto. I work with BitGet because of that. There's a link in the description. If you use that link to sign up, you'll be entitled to a $6,200 welcome pack, which you're not going to beat anywhere else. And that's just for doing the tasks that you would normally do on Binance or KuCoin or BingX or wherever. So I'd highly recommend you get that because you can add to your bags really, really nicely with that kind of welcome pack. As for Tradoor, it's at an all-time high. Obviously, it was pulled back a little bit. It hit $5.30 just an hour ago. So it's very, very close to its all-time high. It is in price discovery mode. Now, look, it's gone up just shy of 50% today. Is it going to keep going? It could well do. Even if it just starts moving sideways or pulls back a little bit and, stays above $4.50, say it's hovering around $4.75. This is on strong momentum now. This could easily get to that $10 region that I was talking about. I'd spoken about Trader being a $10 coin that could happen really quickly. This is quicker than I anticipated, to be fair, but still got that momentum. There isn't a reason that this can't get to $10. That still only puts it at a market cap of 143 million, which isn't massive. And with 100,000 holders, with 360,000 users, you can absolutely justify this being a $140 million market cap. In fact, you can justify it being far, far higher. I think $10 is the next big breakout point. After that, can it go much higher? We will have to see. I'll certainly review it if and when it gets to the $10 mark. But right now, momentum is on its side. One of the few coins that are rallying very, very nicely right now while we're having a market pullback. So one to take a look at. If you're one of the 100,000 holders, what are you hoping to see from Trader? What price do you think it can hit? When did you get in? What do you think your exit point is going to be? Share all of that in the comments. Let me know what you're up to. And guys, we're in a bull cycle. And if you've got cryptos you're not happy with, coins that are not performing, you got to fix it. If you don't know where to begin, get onto copymycrypto.com/YouTube. This is the special offer I'm running right now for my YouTube followers. You get full access to my site, full membership to my site for half price, and there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the site, I share with my members the cryptos I own. Whenever I find any coin that I think can do very, very well, I jump onto my site, tell my members about the coin, the reasons I think it can do well, the price I'll be buying it at. I do the same when I sell, so there's no work for my members. On the site, I share every coin, and whenever I'm ready to buy or sell, like I said, I let my members know. If you go onto the site, you'll see some of the profits made by the members, some of the successes the members had that led to those profits, whether it was a meme coin that went up 300 times in like under 2 weeks, or whether it's Phantom, which was one of the best performers in the last bull cycle. Phantom went up to an all-time high of $3.46. We got in at 0.5%. That's just shy of 700 times our investment. A bunch of my members became millionaires from that one investment alone. It's all public record. Verify it all on the history of this channel. And if you like what you see and you want to find out the cryptos that are going to be the winners in this bull cycle, all you got to do to find out is join up on the site. And if you do, I'll see you there. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.